Welcome back to another Trini Bites vlog. You already know we're Lyman. It's the weekend. Have to enjoy ourselves.
And we know all the missing the two of them.
Yeah, well, hey.
Yeah.
What do we have today? We have some Korean style barbecue short ribs. If you guys want to know how to make this, go watch our video on how to make it. It's amazing.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. I just made this drink.
Stay tuned for that drink.
Alright. Grill is nice and hot. Meat is nice and marinated.
As Justin said before, this tastes exactly like Choco's.
I think it tastes better.
Yeah, probably better.
Round two. You already know. Back to back. Alright.
Gonna try this thing now.
Yeah. Cheers.
Hey, cheers.
So, the boss man, Dada Bites upstairs there, he don't like the sauce. So we put a few aside for him. We're just gonna put, you know, salt and black pepper as he requested. And we're gonna grill that up for him. That's what we're gonna do. Throw a good amount of salt in our hand. Black pepper. Mix that up.
By the time I'm cooking, we knocking on you. Yeah, Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Alright, continuing from yesterday, you know. Got some pork on the grill now. By my parents' house. You know, a little Sunday lunch. And pork.
It's a Lime vlog, okay? Say hi.
Oh man, I forgot to bring the
So what kind of sauce you make me?
This is a... Every time we make barbecue sauce, it's different. Because we don't measure nothing, we just throw.
True.
But it's always a very good tasting special sauce.
Right. What do you got in the foil there, buddy?
That's some corn, bud.
Oh yeah, but there's Grizzly.
I really like you.
You can follow up me. Oh yeah, look at the lines on that pork. Pork boy, pork.
No.
What do you got there, bud?
Oh, we got beef pork shoulder, man. Great. It was baked.
What is that?
Oh, nice.
So we're gonna throw it on the grill to get it some more color and flavor.
See, look at that fat there. Ooh, the skin. Nice. Alright, so you put the sauce on it now?
Yeah, our special custom sauce. Yeah, we're gonna try some new beer here.
Try a new beer.
Supposed to be pretty strong, 10%.
Time to go to sleep after this. Alright, cheers. Happy birthday.
Oh, I like it. That's good. Reminds me of reminds me of a beer we drank at All Stars.
I know, it tastes like carbs still.
It's bitter. It's 10%.
Anyways, look at that piece of that pork now, buddy.
Yeah, look how tender it is. Alright, well, like, you see how tender it is? The bone is coming loose from the meat.
Yeah.
That's what we want. That's why we baked it first, because a big piece of meat, if we were to cook it on the grill, it would burn up.
So this is a long weekend. Welcome again to Trini Bites. We have a long weekend here, and we have nothing to do. Still lockdown. So we're gonna make some mac and cheese. Justin's gonna make some mac and cheese. Chris is gonna make some stew beef.
Curry beef, please.
Oh, curry beef. You see, we done the alcohol cooking already. And then we gonna do some bacon on this new plate I just bought. So to do all the grill stuff on the stove. So we'd have to use a barbecue grill.
Drunk from last night, but it's alright. Happy birthday.
Good, it's looking good, boy.
Yeah, frying nice.
This pepper hot. Uncle Benny from North Carolina sent this to me, so shout out to he. So, Carolina Reaper, so let me see. Ooh, this man real hot. So, thanks Uncle Benny.
Miki din miki jayega mati ke moon jag mein reh jayenge pyare tere ho la 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 la.
My neighbors don't like me because I play music and sing all night. And every week the police come in here. So yeah, shout out to the police and them. Or they will come in here anytime.
Crispy bacon. Who likes it crispy?
Let's go.
Grizzly feeling sick, but he still wants to line with everybody.
Yeah. Nev?
There's my poor, my grandson on here.
Alright, so the grill worked very well. My money's worth. How much again? $30?
Yeah.
From $100 to
From
$30.
$100 on sale.
If you live in Toronto, go to Canadian Tire. It's on sale.
For $30. So from 100 to 30.
Nice and crispy one. That's how we want it.
Yeah. That's what I want.
Wasting half the product here.
I like to hail out again. Trini out and about. Cooking some good food. I enjoy his video today. He's making some cascaroo, curry cascaroo with peas and tomatoes and everything, all the seasoning. Check out this video. Trini out and about with trouble. You know what I mean? I mean your food's cool and real good.
That being said, we're gonna put some more day. But today we will not forget it.
If you guys think Grizzly looks a little weird, they had to shave here to get to do some blood work.
Wait, I'll call you today.
Alright. So we're gonna grate some cheese. We decided to use some jalapeno cheddar, white cheddar. Give it a little extra flavor.
That's a holy plate. You take 2 things, you long plate and everything in the ground. You can be eating from the ground.
You ever see Katrina Super? It's curry. Curry Super.
They matched Justin's car.
Alright, so then let's cook the whole of it.
What's the line outside?
You got drink now. Maybe what's a dance it?
Alright, so we have our water, a little bit of salt in it. This is the best macaroni for macaroni and cheese.
Barilla.
See how he groove in it? How he groove and thing? Just hold the cheese nice. See how it coming along. Looking real good.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, so we're gonna start making what's called a roux for the cheese mix for the macaroni and cheese.
What do you call it? Root?
A roux. So we start by melting a little bit of butter. Alright. Low heat, always on low heat. You don't want to burn it. Then we'll add some milk. Let that, come to a little simmer. Alright, so now we're gonna add, now let's just get a little warm here. We're gonna add a little bit of flour. A little bit at a time. You wanna make a little bit of like a paste.
Anjan, Zamana, Zamana, oh my who, Eka Pagal Premi. What's all I looking? The man say he make it, what macaroni and cheese? That look like penus. You sure why?
Yeah. So look, when it's ready, should be able to run your spoon through and it should leave a clean line. Right? So that's ready right there, so we're gonna add the cheese in.
And FYI, it's after 7:30 and it's still bright outside. Let's see the moon.
And Chris don't want to be indoors. He
No.
want to be outside. Yeah.
Sick and he want a lime.
And the sun will go down to about 9 o'clock, so you go hang out
He
here.
want to only be outdoors here. What?
We're gonna go see some fireworks soon.
We're gonna do some fireworks too.
Yeah.
And it's a Victoria Day long weekend, Queen Victoria.
Is it?
Yeah. We just
May
call
24
it the
weekend?
May 24 weekend
I don't know.
because there's 24 beer in a case. So we call it
Yeah.
May 24 weekend.
No, we drink God 24 cases a day.
See. Well, they're proud.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chris had to go to the hospital today. Actually, yesterday he wasn't feeling too well. So
He ate some bad grass.
Alright, so we have to keep this on a low to medium heat until the cheese melts into a nice smooth paste. And then we can add some spices and seasonings and our bacon and then our macaroni and toss it all up.
the man said you have hose A, Quavo. I just only drink hose B. Now what's that there?
So now we could turn the stove off. And we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of black pepper.
Well, that smells really good.
We don't need any salt because this
Actually,
cheese is
I'm
salty
going
and the bacon is salty.
You want to close it if you want to.
So we can add this in.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Mix this all up.
Kalauti go say I push with my hand.
Shout out to Kalauti.
Shout out to Kalauti.
Shout out to Kalauti. I love your comment.
We missing your comments.
Missing it actually. Shout out to you.
Alright. So now we can add our macaroni in.
Throw your half.
Sorry. It get hot. It stick once it sit for a little bit.
Look at that.
Yeah, boiling now.
Bubbling. Look at that bubbling.
Nice.
It's bubbling.
It's over nice, boy. It's over nice, boy. Over nice.
So for anyone that knows us, you guys know we like to drink Socialite, these vodka soda things, and these Cottage Spring ones. If you like these, definitely go give this one a try because it's so good. It tastes like candy.
Hey, I want to big up Chocolate Nights in Scarborough. I'm missing on it, boy. I'm missing that patio. When they open back, I the first man there. And I tell big up Anthony and District Lounge as well too. Check him out.
Alright, we're gonna do a taste test. Look at that.
Jeez.
So good. Better than the restaurant one. Oh man.
Alright, let me see that. Let me see that.
Here.
Macaroni and cheese. Hold on. Let's see. Let me be the tester here. I thought it was penus, but I see macaroni inside it.
Hey, look good,
Hold on. Yeah, boy. Good.
I get some plate.
Time to eat some food.
I fasted and I'm gonna give me bacon to eat, boy. Alright, guys. We have a couple here, Daniel, Angel, and they're engaged. And now we're gonna say congratulations to those guys. And cheers.
Happy birthday.
And we have a man from Sawa here today, boy. El Chico, look at it, boy. Yeah.
got the guy next one, but he making barbecue. Try to pick him up, sir.
Sausage on the grill.
Sausage on the grill.
And cheers.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, guys. Happy birthday and happy engagement.
Now use the big chef now.
What to do?
Alright, use the big chef, you beat me back now.
You heard that? Say the crowd. You heard that? Say the crowd. Hey, the man from Sawa, boy. Chupke.
Hey, you like one with
Right.
yeah, give you more
That's how sausage on in your way.
Trini bites next week. Somebody from Trinidad and Tobago. Just got his real estate license, son.
Hey, what's up? Anand Prasad. Anand at Buy With Can Hide, the Buy With Can Hide team.com.
And pick up the American high as well.
Respect.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Say bye, everybody.
Bye. See you in the next video.
I think I got you on this.